Hi guys, I got this pressure washer I wanted to share with you here. Now we're gonna go ahead and get this opened up. I'll show you. It comes with this nice case here. Here is the unit itself. Now check this out, guys. I like that nice clean appearance there. It's got a trigger for easy use and it feels pretty cool. You've got a place here, an input here, and you've got your output right here. Now these are interchangeable, so you can actually put different attachments on here. You've got different attachments like this. This is a chemical bottle here, so if you want to put your soaps or waxes inside of here, that would be the place you would do it. You want to blend this with water. Also, you've got a charger here. That is because this is battery operated. It is completely cordless, and it runs on these 21-volt lithium-ion batteries. So it does come with a battery for you, so you'll be ready to go as soon as you get it. Now it's got some different nozzles here with different adjustments on it, so you're able to toggle between the different spray nozzles for different types of mists and jets and sorts of things that you're going to have coming out of this. It's great for washing the car. It's got this right here, this little filter to keep solids out of your gun. That's very important to make sure this thing doesn't get contaminated or clogged up. And it also has this hose. So what this hose allows you to do, you can carry a water supply around with you, something like a 5-gallon bucket or something. And that's going to be your water supply. You're just going to run this hose to your water supply, and there you go. Very simple, very straightforward. It does come with these instructions. You're going to want to give these a look. And it comes with an additional hose. We'll show you how that works. And this extension here. So this extension wand is very useful, I found, for washing the car. So all in all, guys, I think this is a very good kit. I'm going to show you what it looks like, and then I'm going to go out and use it. Hi guys, so I've got it all set up. As you can see, I've got the battery in, I've got the extension wand on there, and the spray nozzle. Also, I put the filter on the end of the hose to keep out any solids. Now, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to get a bucket. You can pick one of these up for about $5 at Home Depot, or if you're like me, you can just use your daughter's cheer bucket. All right, let's get going on this, guy. So first of all, you're going to put your filter end down in the water, make sure it is fully submerged, and you can use the weight of this to push it down, but you want to make sure there's no air getting in here, because you just don't want any cavitation blocking flow of water. So once you've done that, you're going to hold the trigger down. Now, it will take a while to prime. It is self-priming, but it can take a while to get the water flowing.